South African businesses can't plan for if, only when. Infrastructure failures, cyber attacks, and unrest are part of daily reality. Every disruption costs time, trust, and money. A business continuity plan isn't a document, it's your frontline defense. Step 1. List your essential systems. Identify what must stay online for your business to function, and the knock-on effects if they don't. Step 2. Create a risk map based on your location, industry, and operations. Include cable theft, load shedding, and staff availability. Step 3. Equip your business with tools that work: LTE routers, solar backups, cloud access, and remote work protocols. Step 4. Assign communication roles. Define who updates staff, who informs clients, and how fast these updates happen. Step 5. Run live simulations quarterly. Cut the power, block the network, review how your team responds, and improve. Step 6. Partner with local providers who understand South African conditions and offer reliable support when it matters most. Step 7. Use checklists, cheat sheets, and easy-to-follow guides. Your team should know what to do at a glance. In South Africa, resilience is synonymous with survival. Daisy's tailored solutions help businesses plan, prepare, and power through. Search for Daisy Business Solutions today.